My Lord, Honorable Justice Jashwant Singh, Judge, Orissa High Court. Honorable Justice M.S. Raman, Judge, Honorable Orissa High Court. Esteemed judges of our High Court. Mr. Ashok Kumar Parija, Senior Advocate, Advocate General Government of Orissa, and Chairman Special Committee Odisha State Bar Council. Mr. Prasanna Kumar Parhi, Assistant Solicitor General of India for Odisha. Registrar General, Registrar Judicial, other registrars, officers of the registry, learned senior members of our bar, my dear friends from our bar. Dr. J.K. Lenka, Secretary of our Executive Committee, and Mr. D.P. Das, Vice President of Executive Committee, and other esteemed committee members of our Bar Association. Esteemed participants of today's condolence meeting, I express my heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of Advocate NIMAIN Pattanayak and Advocate SAROJ Kumar Patra, who were members of our Bar Association. Advocate NIMAIN Pattanayak, son of late Ganeshwar Pattanayak and late Sarojin Pattanayak, born in the village Balibo in the district of Henkaral on 16th day of November 1959, passed his matriculation certificate examination from Jatiya Vidya Niketan High School, Mahanipal in the year 1976 in the district of Jajpur. Sir, he passed his Bachelor in Arts with History Honours examination from BN College, Jajpur Road in the year 1980. He completed his MA examination from Ramcha College, Cuttack under Utkal University in the year 1982. He obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1983. He enrolled himself as an advocate of the State Bar Council of Odisha in the year 1984 and started his legal practice in the Honorable High Court of Odisha and lower subordinate courts at Cuttack. His State Bar Council enrollment number is 196 by 1984. He was mainly practicing in different sectors like MSCT, labor, industries, consumers, appellate tribunal, company law, and arbitration matters. He was given Kavi Ratna Award in Shravani Mahotsav organized by Jharala Sahitya Sanskritik Anushthan at Sri Ramchandra Bhavan, Cuttack on 17/8/2003. He got certificate of participation on 20th September 2010 in National Media Conference 2010 on Vision and Values for a New Social Order organized by Media Wing of Rajayog Education Research Foundation, Prajapita Brahmakumari Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya, World Headquarters, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. He was very amiable, soft-spoken, and popular among the members of the bar. He breathed his last on 9th February 2022. His death has given irreparable loss to the members of the bar, family, friends, relatives, colleagues, and locals at large. It is very difficult, in fact, to bear with the void that has been created on the sad demise of our friend NIMAIN Pattanayak. He left behind his wife, namely Srimati Pratima Pattanayak, and only son, namely Kuldeep Pattanayak, and daughter-in-law, namely Ipsita Panda. Both are Hollywood singers. Advocate Saroj Kumar Patra, son of late Ratnakar Patra, resident of Pithapada in Salipur district, Cuttack. He was born on 25th September 1956, presently residing at Upper Talanga Bazar in Cuttack town in the district of Cuttack. He passed his high school certificate examination from Asureshwar High School in 1973, intermediate arts in Salipur College in 1975, and graduation from Kendrapada College in the year 1977. He enrolled himself as an advocate in Orissa State Bar Council in the year 1982, bearing enrollment number 28 of 1982. He was the member of High Court Bar Association in the year 82 and started his legal practice in the Honorable High Court of Odisha and lower subordinate courts at Cuttack, and was practicing mainly in civil and criminal matters. He breathed his last on 23rd July 2021. His death has given irreparable loss to his entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, and locals at large. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late Saroj Kumar Patra, advocate. He was left behind his wife, Srimati Arati Patra, one son, namely Prasanna Kumar Patra, and two married daughters, namely Saraswati Patra and Manisha Patra. I, on behalf of the High Court Bar Association, express my heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of Advocate NIMAIN Patnaik, advocate, and Saroj Kumar Patra. May the departed soul rest in heavenly abode. I pray for the Almighty to give enough strength and courage to the members of the bereaved family to bear with such huge loss. With this, I conclude the message of condolence.
My Lord, Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh, my Lord's companion judges, members of the registry, the Assistant Solicitor General of India, Sri Prasanna Kumar Padi, the President of the High Court Bar Association, Sri Jagabandhu Sahu, Secretary Dr. Lenka, Vice President Mr. Das, other members of the Executive Committee, respected senior members of the bar, and my junior colleagues. We are gathered here today to express our heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of our members, late NIMAIN Patnayak and late Saroj Kumar Patra, advocates of this bar association. Advocate NIMAIN Patnayak began his academic journey from Jatiya Vidya Niketan High School, Mahanipal, Jajpur, where he passed high school certificate examination in the year 1976. He passed his Bachelor in Arts with History Honours from VN College, Jajpur Road, Jajpur in the year 1980. Thereafter, he came to Cuttack, where he completed his MA education from Ravenshaw College, Utkal University in the year 1982. His passion for law led him to complete his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1983. He enrolled himself as an advocate in the State Bar Council of Orissa in the year 1984 and started his legal practice in this honorable court and subordinate courts at Cuttack. He had a good practice in different courts like MSCT, Labour, Industrial Dispute, Consumer Forums, Appellate Tribunals, Company Law, and Arbitration Tribunals. A keen lover of literature, he was awarded the Kabhi Patna Award in Shravani Mahotsav organized by Jharana Sahitya Sanskriti Anushthan. Late NIMAIN Patnayak had a deep spiritual inclination and was actively involved with Raja Yoga Education and Research Foundation for various spiritual and charitable ventures. He breathed his last on 9th of February 2022. Late Saroj Kumar Patra, advocate, obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1981. He enrolled himself as an advocate from the Orissa State Bar Council in the year 1982. He was the member of the High Court Bar Association in the year 1982 and started his legal practice in this honorable court and subordinate courts at Cuttack. He breathed his last on 23/7/2021. With the sad demise of late NIMAIN Patnayak and late Saroj Kumar Patra, the bar has lost two valuable members, both of whom will be dearly missed. I pray to God that the departed souls rest in eternal peace. May God give strength and courage to the bereaved family to withstand this loss, and may their memory guide them through these difficult times.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Mr. Ashok Parija, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Jagabandhu Sahu, Learned President and Office Bearers of the Odisha High Court Bar Association, Mr. P.K. Padi, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Government of India for Odisha, Learned Senior Advocates and members of the legal fraternity, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of sorrow that within a short gap, we are again holding a reference on the sad demise of two learned members of the bar. This afternoon's somber assembly is to mourn the grieving demise of Shri NIMAIN Patnayak and Shri Saroj Kumar Patra, learned members of the High Court Bar Association, who breathed their last on 9th of February 2022 and 23rd of July 21 at the age of 63 and 66 respectively, leaving a trail of void that would not be possible to fill. I, on behalf of my colleagues, share the sentiments as expressed by Mr. Jagabandhu Sahu, Learned President of the High Court Bar Association, and Mr. Ashok Kumar Parija, Learned Advocate General, Odisha. The life sketch of the late NIMAIN Patnayak records that he was born on 16th of November 1959 in the district of Dhankanar. After completion of his schooling in the year 76 from Jatiya Vidya Niketan High School in the district of Jhajpur, he graduated with history honors from VN College, Jhajpur Road in the year 1980. He acquired master's degree from Ramanshaw College, Cuttack in the year 1982 and law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1983. Late NIMAIN Patnayak joined the bar in the year 1984 and started legal practice in this court as well as district courts at Cuttack. He had expertise in motor accident claim cases, labor matters, consumer cases, as well as company law and arbitration matters. He was an acclaimed poet and was honored by various organizations. To reiterate, he breathed his last on 9th of February 2022. The life sketch of late SAROJ Kumar PATRA records that he was born on 25th of September 1956 in the district of Cuttack. After completion of his schooling in the year 73 from Asureswar High School in district Cuttack, he graduated from Kendrapada College in the year 1977. He acquired law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1981. Late Sri Patra joined the bar in the year 1982 and started legal practice in this court as well as district court at Cuttack. He had expertise in civil and criminal matters. He breathed his last on 23rd July 2021. We have been told that the two members are very sober, soft-spoken, and amiable in nature, and were thorough gentlemen. Their untimely death has created a great vacuum in the legal fraternity, and it is not only a loss to the bar, but also an irreparable loss to their families, friends, colleagues, and relatives. With a very heavy heart, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, and on my own behalf, I express our heartfelt condolences to the families of Sri NIMAIN Patnayak and Sri SAROJ Kumar Patra, and pray the Almighty that the departed souls rest in peace. We also pray for the strength and courage to the members of the bereaved families to bear this irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, let us observe a 2 minutes silence by standing. Court work will remain suspended for the rest of the day.